We're walking on our favorite place in Easton that you can see on my channel. But I want to share this with you. This plant, I think, I just saw something on YouTube about the most poisonous plant that's encroaching in all across America, and I think this is it. So now I have to wash my hands because I just touched it. Silly me. But Queen Anne's lace has little feathery bottoms to their flowers, and they're closer together in a more compact umbel. And this does not have the little skirt of leaves on the bottom that Queen Anne's lace has, and it fits the description of that very poisonous plant, which is hemlock, that Socrates died from, I think.